Hey folks, so today I've got the eufy SoloCam. So this is a security camera. You can see I've got it set up on this shed behind me here, and eufy did send this to me in exchange for this video, but there's a number of features here that I do want to go over. First and foremost, this is a solar powered camera. Now obviously that means it's going to be much more energy efficient and cheaper to run, but I tell you what, the convenience of this thing, setting this up took about 5 minutes. We just needed to screw it into the wooden board up here on the shed and did not have to worry about any cables whatsoever. It is recommended you charge it to full using the included USB-C cable once you first take it out of the box. But once you've done that, as long as it can get at least 2 hours of sunlight a day, you will not need to worry about it. And don't think because it's a solar powered camera that some of the other features may be more minimized. This thing is absolutely fantastic. First off, the 2K image quality for the recordings is very crisp, very sharp, and shows a lot of detail. Although if that 2K is a little more than you need, you can reduce the resolution here to 1080p, which is still full HD, but half the resolution of that 2K. And something else I really like about this camera is it's not going to be pushing you into paying for monthly fees. So everything you need is included right here in the box, including internal storage of 8GB, which will give you plenty of space for recordings. And because you are setting this up to your network, you can access those at any time from your mobile device. But now what about positioning because of this being a solar powered device? Well, obviously you need to put it somewhere it is going to be able to access at least 2 hours of sunlight, as I mentioned. So you need to be careful if you are positioning this under a roof, for example, where there is an eave that is going to potentially block that sunlight. The solar panel itself is situated on the top of the camera. Now the camera is weatherproof. In fact, it's IP67 rated. Just make sure the little grommet on the back, which covers the sync button and the USB-C connection, is thoroughly plugged in. Some of the other fantastic features here include the night recording mode. Now most security cameras will have infrared recording for nighttime, and this does too, so you can absolutely use that. But it also has an inbuilt spotlight. Now what this means is that instead of using the infrared recording at nighttime, you can use full color nighttime recording because of that spotlight. Again, you don't have to. eufy are giving you the choice here. So in the app, you can choose whether you want the infrared or full color nighttime recording, or you could select neither. And you may want to do that if you are already in a well-lit area, so you know at night time you won't need to use those features on the camera. But the other thing that works well is the advanced person detection. If you've ever had a security camera before that has motion detection, you will probably know that you just get swamped with notifications anytime there's any kind of movement in the actual video feed. That doesn't happen with this eufy SoloCam because it intelligently detects persons compared to other moving objects. So it will only notify you if it actually senses a person. So that's a really, really neat little feature. It has two-way audio, which you can set up. So not only can you hear what's going on in the vicinity of the feed, but also you can speak into your phone's microphone to actually put audio over to the camera so anybody in the vicinity will hear what you have to say. Hey, I'm calling the police, whatever it may be. And the app is just really intuitive. It does give you access to multi-user support as well. So if there's other people in your house that you want access to the feed, then just have them download the eufy app. It is free. Sign up for their own free account and you can share access with your camera setup to them. Of course, the SoloCam is fully compatible with the eufy ecosystem. And if you have a home-based setup, then you can also connect it using that method. Now, this is our first eufy camera, so I can't show you that at the moment. But even as a camera by itself, hence the name SoloCam, this works brilliantly. Now we've just got the 1 pack here, but it is available as well in 2, 3 and 4 packs. But in conclusion, the eufy SoloCam is a fantastic little device actually. It has all the features that you need from a security camera, and the recording quality is going to pick up any details that you may need, and it does have a nice wide angle lens as well. So folks, I hope this video helps. Thank you again to eufy for gifting this to me so that I could bring these thoughts to you, and I'll catch you next time.